Here's a different take when it comes to pagtaas at pagbaba ng dollars. Let us not forget na hindi tayo pare-pareho ng estado sa buhay, which simply means iba-iba rin tayo ng priority. Iba-iba tayo ng focus. Iba-iba tayo ng mindset when it comes to money. With that being said, yung tao na feeling niya ang dami niyang bayarin, obviously, magiging happy yan because, ayan, mataas yung dollar, so mas marami siyang pambayad. Now, a person who have more bandwidth to think about the economy and other people, obviously, titingnan yan yung economics perspective na kapag mataas ang dollars, mataas din ang bayarin. Gas, bill ng kuryente, bill ng ganito. Alam mo yun. And honestly, both opinions are valid. Depende sa kung sino at ano yung sitwasyon nila. However, if you feel that the opinion of the other person or the way that they celebrate yung pagtaas ng dollar affects you, feeling mo naiinis ka sa kanila. I even saw a post saying it's his pet peeve. Meron akong ibibigay sa inyo na tip that I have been applying and it's very effective. You don't like someone, you don't like what they post, hover your mouse on top of their profile, i-click nyo tong tatlong dot na to, and then boom, block. You saw someone that you don't like on TikTok, na to may makikita kayo na parang arrow, pagkatapos boom, block. Hindi pwede na i-invalidate mo yung celebration ng iba or yung opinion ng isa just because it doesn't align with what you believe in or your current situation. You don't like someone on social media, block. You don't like someone in real life, detach. Because nandun tayo sa panahon na kapag nakipag-debate pa tayo at ipinilit natin yung mindset natin sa ibang tao, alam mo yun talagang minsan mapapaisip ka na lang, napakatanga na ito. Yun lang, we live happily ever after. Bye!